This revision video is for GCSE English Literature Component 2, which includes post-1914 prose/drama, 19th century prose and unseen poetry. The exam paper in total has 3 sections and it lasts 2 hours and 30 minutes. This revision video will focus on Section B, which is the 19th century prose. Now, you have studied A Christmas Carol, so you'll notice that there are a choice of texts, but you need to choose and answer the question on A Christmas Carol because that is the one that you have studied. So what you'll do, you'll have already answered the question on Section A on an Inspector Calls, and then, which is here, and then you will carry on turning until you find A Christmas Carol, which is here. Just like an Inspector Calls, you will notice that you have one question, okay, and an extract to help you. So the question says you're advised to spend about 45 minutes on this question, okay, so that's the time that you should be spending. You should use the extract below and your knowledge of the whole novel to answer this question. So you can use the extract here and use quotations, but you must also be memorising questions from the novel that you can use in your answer as well. It will say write about something. It could be a character, it could be a theme, it could be a relationship. Okay, whatever it asks you, you need to underline it and make sure that you focus on it throughout your whole answer. It will also give you some bullet points to help. Refer to the extract and novel as a whole. Show your understanding of characters and events in the novel. And, unlike an Inspector Calls, you must refer to the context of the novel. You get marked for discussing context. So be sure to weave contextual knowledge into that answer. Once you've read that question, you can then read the extract and you can go through and you can underline any quotations that are relevant to the question that you have been asked. Now, you will notice that it is worth 40 marks in total, so it's worth a lot of marks. You are asked to spend 45 minutes on this. Make sure that you spend no more and no less. When you are answering this question, make sure that you write in peel paragraphs, make sure that you use subject terminology, make sure that you use relevant quotations, and also be sure to include context in your answer as well.